Hey guys, I'm your tech consultant, and you are watching tutorials on Photoshop, and we are studying the toolbar on the leftmost side. And now we are going to study this tool. This is called Lasso tool. This is called Lasso tool. So in Lasso tool, you can see there are three main tools: Lasso tool, polygonal lasso tool, and magnetic lasso tool. So today's lecture, we will study just lasso tool. So short key for that is L. You can either press here or you can press L. And keep in mind that which tool is selecting out of these will appear if you will press L. If this tool is selected, then pressing L will open polygonal lasso tool, and if this is selected, then this will open the magnetic lasso tool. We will study them later, but keep in mind that whenever you select this, you have to see this icon on that place. So if you have magnetic lasso tool, this icon will be like that, and if you will have magnetic, and this will be like that. So we will just use a lasso tool now. So lasso tool is also used for selection, but the important thing you have to keep in mind that lasso tool is just for simple selection and fast selection, but not a specific selection. You cannot select this exact. You cannot use it for exact selection. You can just select this for random selection, and you just want this boy, this part of boy, and you just move it to another file very fast. But this is not for exact selection, so keep in mind. So we will start with lasso tool, and you have to keep in mind whenever you start selecting, you will not leave your mouse. You will keep holding mouse. If you will leave, this will complete the selection. So this is for just for random selection or the fast selection. You cannot select it accurately. If you have to select the boy accurately, you have to use the different tools. So these tools will come later on, but today we have to tell you about this lasso tool. So I will draw it again. I will press Ctrl Z to unselect it. So how we will do, I will just click here and I will start moving my mouse on this path as close as possible, but I will not leave it. I will not leave the mouse while doing this. So this is the random selection. So lasso tool is used just for the random selection. This cannot be used for accurate selection. So what are the different other tools that are used for exact selection? That will be in the next lecture. But this short and very fast lecture was about very fast selection through lasso tool.